All right, my name is MC Dopike. They call me the Ogakpatapata of them all, the general overseer of them all. Aluta continua Victoria Asata. Struggle continues, victory is certain. All right, as for the protest, it is good we set our priorities right and our motives straight and forward. Yes, because now we don't feel wake up as Nigeria youth, we will use this opportunity well. So we'll be sleeping, and you cannot sleep in Delilah's bed and expect to wake up from Abraham's bosom. You understand? So more do the needful. This political party, so this youth political party, more try come together as one. More form our own political party. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. All those bad eggs, may that will remove all of them, may they no join. If anybody there above 50, may no join that party. It's called Youth Political Party. Youth Democratic Party, YDP. And they see the logo makes sense. I just see people don't they come up with the idea. But may all of us they repose, may all of us they project, and let's start talking about it. That is the best way we can remove these people from power. Legally. With our voters card. Yeah. Let's start talking about it. This Youth Democratic Party, YDP, I support 100%. We have political youth. We get youth where they get. In fact, see, don't make any activists, don't make any Nigerian activists, not give them any position to run for any position for party. No. Activism, people who do activism, they're not good for office. Let them be activists. So that even if we, the youth, go enter power tomorrow, some of the youth, they misbehave for power. Now, still the same activists go still come. Say, oh, yeah, where you? Meow. Yes. So don't see that some persons are activists. You know, this person will fit into... No. Activists are not good in offices. They're not good for political office. No. Let them work with them. They do their job, they do so. This Youth Democratic Party, let's come together. In fact, all this GoFundMe, where they go for the bad character and bad behavior, where all of now gather, now they gather money, they contribute to 2,000 for people who get bad character and very nasty behavior. Why we not use this money now? This GoFundMe. Why we not raise funds to take form our own political party? There are companies that are in charge of statistics. Companies like Deloitte. Deloitte, they put all the results for Big Brother together. They are in South Africa, they are in New York. Deloitte. If you put 500 naira, you go show say you put 500 naira. If you put 1,000 naira, they show you they are in charge of statistics and figures. So many companies like that, but I'm very certain and I know of Deloitte. Let's come together. Let's form our own political party. It should be beyond NSAS. Let's move it to the next level. Let's come together. Make them know say we get brain. Let everything be organized and arranged. So now my own contribution be this. We don't try. So we don't use body to work. So let intelligence, let intellectual sagacity, let all those people who get brain, may they come in now. This is when we should set our priorities right. Okay? So I'm in support of this Youth Democratic Party. Every other celebrity is out there, every other person out there, every other activist that is out there, every other artist, comedians, dancers, anybody where get influence, actors, all of them. When they do video like this, they say you support so that this thing go trend, it go round. They won't they post people, say vote for this, vote for that. Oh yeah, now they post like this. They post now. So that we go raise funds together to take form. Before, if all of us they contribute for 500, Baba, 200 billion. We go, sure. Now what for you? 200 billion. You go tanda na. About this way the basket any other show. You know, with the culture, with the all of us are the drawing already. Say 1 or 2. Okay, more use this anger where they know now. More package and wear. I don't know whether it makes sense, but in it, and it I just reason more form our own youth political party to remove these people from power. We don't already get some kind of youth who don't run for power before. Now they don't allow them. I don't want to mention names now. But more just put our heads together. Go fund me, open account. Tell these people make them manage them for us, the account for us. Will they drop 500, 1,000 for there? You understand? Our destiny, they our hand. More use this opportunity to achieve them. You know understand? Because life now brain. More use our tongue, take out our teeth. Because these people, the national breast, they don't come out for our mouth. If we call the cry, say they don't give us breast suck, they'll cost beat us joy. My brothers and sisters, even picky way no cry, they give them breast suck. What it is so now the reason be that this morning.